In this video, I'm going to show you how to qualify for instant withdrawal on Prizepicks. So to qualify for instant withdrawals, you need to follow all of the following requirements that I'm about to say. Number one, you want to make sure that you complete your identity verification. So ensure that your identity is fully verified. So in order to do that, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and just go over here and then press on request withdrawal. Now, if you haven't already verified your ID yet, then it will actually give you like a pop over here stating that you need to verify your profile. So just go ahead and do that. So yeah, you must submit a valid government issued ID like a driver's license or a passport and ensure that all personal information matches your ID. The next requirement is you want to meet the 1x playthrough requirement. So Prizepicks requires that all deposited funds and promotional bonuses be played through at least once before withdrawal. So in other words, if you deposit $25, you must submit lineups worth at least $25. This applies both to your initial deposit and any promo funds. And next up, you want to establish a withdrawal history. So instant withdrawals are generally available after your first few withdrawals. New users typically have their initial withdrawals reviewed by a security specialist, which can take a couple hours. But that's why you need to use Prizepicks regularly. Next up, you want to make sure that you're using a previously deposited payment method. Withdrawals must be made to a payment method that you used before, such as a debit card or even like a PayPal account. That will all work. And also, you need to maintain a minimum balance. So the minimum withdrawal amount is $10. Ensure your account has at least this amount in your withdrawal funds and that it is not locked in pending lineups or unplayed promo funds. Lastly, you want to make sure that your account is in good standing with no investigation, fraud flags, or violation of Prizepicks terms and service. And if you meet all of those requirements, you should be able to go ahead and get instant withdrawals. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.